A great message is not enough. If your campaign launches at the wrong time or gets buried in the feed, it won't get seen, no matter how brilliant the content is. In this lecture, we will guide you through the launch phase of a social PR campaign, how to time your rollout, choose the right hashtags, and distribute your message across platforms for maximum reach and relevance. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to understand how timing impacts visibility and engagement. Use hashtags to connect with the right audience and media. Create a coordinated rollout across multiple platforms. Build early momentum for your campaign launch. Timing matters, but context comes first. In digital PR, what you say is almost as important as what you say. Posting at the right moment can amplify your message, but only if that moment makes sense. Before choosing a date or time, ask yourself, is this campaign tied to a season, trend, or cultural moment? Are there relevant news events or industry happenings? When is your audience more active on weekdays, weekends, mornings, or evenings? Example, if you're launching a sustainability campaign, Earth Day is a powerful anchor. If you're announcing a B2B tool, Tuesday mornings give better reach than Saturday night. Tip: don't just follow general posting charts. Test your data over time using built-in analytics or tools like Later, Buffer, or Hootsuite. Hashtags: be strategic, not spammy. Hashtags can help categorize your content, boost visibility, and help your content reach the right audience, but only when used with intention. Think of them as signposts, not decorations. Use a mix of branded hashtags unique to your campaign or brand, like hashtag PlantMore2025. Trending hashtags related to current conversations or events, such as hashtag World Environment Day. Niche community hashtags used by the audience you want to reach, for example, hashtag sustainable living. Avoid overloading with too many tags. Using irrelevant or generic tags, hashtag love, hashtag happy, hashtag follow. Copy-pasting the same hashtags across all platforms. Tip: Instagram and TikTok often thrive with 5 to 10 relevant hashtags. On LinkedIn or Twitter/X, fewer is better. Stick to 2 to 3 well-chosen ones for a cleaner, more credible look. Coordinating a multi-platform launch. Launching on social media isn't just about posting once and logging off, it's about building momentum across platforms while respecting each platform's unique rhythm, audience behavior, and content format. A well-structured launch strategy ensures your message lands with impact and continues to generate engagement well beyond the announcement day. Every platform has a slightly different rhythm and user behavior. How to structure a launch. Pre-launch teaser, 1 to 3 days before start planting curiosity. Use short, intriguing content to hint at what's coming. For example, something new is on the way, or countdown stories or reels. Keep it platform appropriate, playful on Instagram stories, concise on X/Twitter, and a hint of context on LinkedIn. Launch day post. This is the core announcement. Go bold and clear. Use attention-grabbing visuals or videos. Share why it matters. Highlight impact, benefits, or transformation. Include a strong CTA, click, sign up, share, etc. Amplification phase, 3 to 10 days after. Don't let the buzz fade after 1 day. Use this time to stretch your story and bring in additional voices. Post testimonials or user reactions. Share influencer-created content or EGC. Show behind-the-scenes content to build authenticity and repost high-performing content in different formats. For example, reel to story. Create a first 48 engagement plan. The first 24 to 48 hours of your launch are critical for algorithmic momentum. Social media algorithms prioritize content that gets early interaction, meaning your replies, reposts, and reactions can make or break reach. Prepare to reply to comments and messages quickly. Reshare UGC or influencer mentions in real time. Monitor hashtags for brand mentions and media attention. Tag collaborators or co-creators early in the rollout. Use polls, questions, or stickers in stories to increase engagement. Social platforms reward interaction, not just posting. The more you engage, the more people will see your content.